Hey Revolve, it's me, Maeve Reilly, celebrity wardrobe stylist +1, and today I'm gonna show you how to style 10 summer day to night looks using our 3x5 style method. The 3x5 style method is our go-to formula for building a functional summer wardrobe. I always choose 3 categories of clothing using 5 pieces in each category that easily mix and match with one another. For tops, I chose a white halter top, a yellow tank, a white button down, a yellow graphic tank, and a black tank top. For bottoms, we have a white statement pant, a crochet mini skirt, mint silk pants, a black capri, and white pants. For matching sets, we have a polka dot set, a crochet set, a flowy sheer set, an embellished set, and a lacy silk set. So G's coming in her first look. I am absolutely obsessed with this little polka dot top from the new REVOLVE Los Angeles drop. And then I paired it with these amazing capri pants. Of course, capris we know are one of the biggest trends of the season. They are a must take on your vacation. I picked this top from REVOLVE Los Angeles new collection because it actually has the most insane pair of matching pants. And what I love about that is on vacation, it's just a no-brainer. You don't have to think about it. It's so easy to just throw on the set and walk out the door. Okay, so we're gonna add a pair of black sunglasses to tie all of this black together. And then one of my favorite elements of this outfit is this really fun SIMONMILLER bag. I love this little yellow detail with the yellow headscarf. She's perfect. She belongs in Italy. I love this. So G's coming back in her next look, and I just love a linen pant for summer and then this really cute lace cami in the silk detail. What I really love about these pants is they actually look like denim, but they're made out of linen, so it's gonna be super easy and lightweight to pack in your suitcase. And then this top is actually part of a really cute set with a matching skirt as well. Okay, so now I'm gonna style out this look, starting with a pair of brown sunglasses. We're gonna tie all of the tones together. And now I'm gonna add a bag. One of my tricks is actually to take a bag like this on the airplane so you can put your purse and all your other goodies inside of this. So this can be your like personal item. And then you have a great beach bag for your trip. So for our next look, we're using the crocheted skirt and this really great linen button-down shirt from AXE, and then I styled it with this really great fun raffia little summer bag. So I was actually just in Italy. There's so many cobblestones and sometimes you just don't want to wear a heel at night. So this is a great option for a look that you can wear from day to night. I'm just gonna add a pair of sunglasses if you want to wear this during the day. I love this brown pair. It sort of ties all of these colors together. I love these pieces so much. They're great for your vacation capsule wardrobe. This is a top that I personally would wear over a bathing suit. It's such a great thing to have in your suitcase. I'm gonna restyle these pieces later on in the video so I can show you how to break this up. So we're coming back in our next look in my favorite pants of this entire video. I love this fun little statement pant from Amanda Uprichard. And then really the star of the show is the accessories. I feel like the summer and vacation is just such a fun way to play into pieces that you wouldn't normally wear in your everyday life. So this necklace is from Georgette, one of my favorite brands. You guys hear me talking about her all the time. I think I'm wearing it myself. And then these really fun earrings, great bag, just love a summer accessory. So with these statement pants, I added this really simple little tank top, which is a great piece to have in your summer rotation. Okay, so just to finish up this look, we're gonna add some brown sunglasses. I love these guys. I love this if you're heading to the south of France this summer. It's just like a very chic, elevated, but very simple look. And I also think a great piece that you can take day to night. So we're coming back in our next look in this gorgeous skirt. We had styled the top previously with a completely different look, and then I added this really simple black tank top because I feel like you just need some good basics to mix in with these statement pieces. You guys know I love mixing and matching sets, and I feel like this is a great way to show you. You can break up the top that had the matching skirt and do it with just a simple black tank top. Great way to pack, makes it super easy, and now I'm gonna style out the rest of this look. So I'm gonna add this great little Dior bag from the Forward Renew program. You guys know I'm obsessed with these little vintage bags. And then a pair of clear glasses so you can wear this at night. I'm also just mentioning I love these statement earrings from Georgette. I feel like, again, such a fun way to dress on vacation. This is the perfect nighttime look, just heading out to a casual dinner. Coming back in our next look are these amazing pants from Eve's. You guys know this is one of my favorite brands on Revolve. And then I styled it with this really cute sort of statement vacation top. So there's actually a matching top to these pants, which I think is a really nice way to restyle this and make it a little bit more nighttime, add a heel and a statement piece of jewelry. Okay, so we're gonna add some sunnies and a bag. I love this little statement bag, great for the beach, but you could also take this into the evening, and then these great little tiny glasses. I think she's heading to the beach in this outfit. This honestly could go to many different locations. It could give Mexico beach day. It could give Saint-Tropez beach day. It's really versatile, and I just love this beautiful pop of color on the top. We're coming back into our next look, and I absolutely love, I'm obsessed, die for these little shorts. They are so cute. I love a statement piece on vacation. And then I restyled the linen shirt, which is so cute. And again, such an easy piece to keep re-wearing on your vacation. And then these really great Tony Bianco little flip-flop heels, which is such a huge trend for summer. What I love so much about these Jaded London shorts is there's actually a matching top, which is such a fun vacation look. I love a little statement piece, and it's great going from day to night. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some accessories. Love these little sunnies. And then I'm gonna grab this Gucci bag from the Forward Renew program. We love a little vintage bag, and that sort of ties all the colors together. We're coming back in our next look in this polka dot pant that matched the top that I styled earlier, and then I just added this really simple tank top, and then adding accessories to really bring the look to life. I love this Georgette necklace. I have her, I wear her all the time on vacation, but I love these pants from Revolve Los Angeles. Such a cute set. Okay, so now I'm gonna style the rest of this look out. I'm gonna add these really great little tiny black glasses. Okay, and then adding this really fun statement bag from SIMONMILLER, who I guess I keep using in this video. They are known for some great statement summer bags. I love this little pop of yellow. I feel like it just kind of breaks up the all black look. I feel like this is such a fun summer look. It could be worn in the Hamptons, it could be worn in the south of France. I just think also polka dots are such a huge trend right now, so I love that Revolve did this cute set. We're coming back in our next look in this skirt that I styled earlier in the video and restyled it with this really great little SNDYS knit yellow tank. It has these really cute beads down the middle, and I added this great little necklace to sort of tie that all together. So there's gold hardware on the shoe, so I'm gonna add this little pair of glasses with the gold frame so we can wear these out at night. And then this really fun little seashell bag with gold hardware, which again, just love these kinds of accessories for vacation. If you wanna wear this during the day, I think it's so easy to throw a little bikini under this, little flip flop, perfect way to transition this outfit from day to night. Okay, so G is coming back in our last look of the video, and one of my favorites. I absolutely love this little shell detail cami, and then these Enza Costa pants. These are their bestseller, and this is in the silk fabric. There's a reason these are a bestseller. They are just the best fit and so comfortable. What made me really fall in love with this sweater is there's actually a pair of matching shorts. So it's a great matching set and so fun to pack on your vacation. And then mixing up the pieces like this shows how effortless it is to wear both. And we just added some little shell details because this feels like such a fun summer look. There's like these beads on the bag and also on the shoe. And then to finish off this look, I'm just gonna add a pair of brown glasses to tie in the brown on the bag. This is such a cute little nighttime dinner look. And then with the shorts, I feel like I would throw this on to go shopping with a pair of flip-flops. Okay, you guys, this has been so much fun. I just showed you how to style 10 summer vacation day to night looks For more videos like this one, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Revolve's YouTube channel. See you on the next one. Bye.